Do you know your spreadsheet's birthday? Maybe your spreadsheet knows its own birthday. This is Sheet Fools. We're creating 24 automations that are going to wreak havoc on your sheet. Well, not on your sheet, in your sheet, to your colleagues, to your bosses, to your friends, family. You might have some random chaos, some interesting sheet aesthetics, some text manipulation. Right now, we're going to create a function that's going to find out when is the spreadsheet's birthday. We're going to go up to extensions, AppScript. We have a bunch of awesome automations here already. These are available, by the way, for free. Copy paste, put them in your Google Drive over at bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Download it today. It's absolutely free, $0. Go get it. Create a couple of functions because we need to know, is today my birthday? And again, it's this spreadsheet's birthday, not your birthday. And we're going to say variable today equals new date, get date. Just getting the date of today. If today is equal to get spreadsheet birthday, get date. And if that's true, we're going to say spreadsheet app.get active toast happy birthday to me. Let's get some cake there. So we will have to be active, but here you can send yourself an email from your sheet. You could do lots of cool things. Check those kinds of automations like sending emails over at Better Sheets on YouTube here on Better Sheets on YouTube. But right now we're just going to do a little bit of a toast here to say, is today my birthday? But we need this get spreadsheet birthday function. So we're going to go create that as well. Function get spreadsheet birthday. Now we need to know what spreadsheet are we in. So variable file ID is equal to spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet get ID. Variable file equals drive app get file ID. The issue here is that we need file ID right there because drive app gets us the actual created date. Spreadsheet app does not have it. So our variable created date is equal to file.getDate created. Very simple, right? Return created date. So now this function is just saying what day is our spreadsheet's birthday. This other function is today my birthday is saying, hey, are these two things the same? And if so, happy birthday to me. Well, to test this out, this particular spreadsheet is not created today. We know that because we can say else logger.log not my birthday. Command S and save, and let's run is today my birthday. Run it. You may have to review permissions to run it. And today's, sorry, not my spreadsheet's birthday. But let's create a new sheet, sheet.new. This one I just made now, extensions AppScript. I'm going to paste my AppScript here. So we are running the exact same function. Let's run is today my birthday. Click run. And yes, it says happy birthday to me. So really cool. This is working. Let's go to our AppScript and set this to run every single day. Over on triggers on the left side, click there. We already have a trigger. Where did my row go? Again, if you want to get the other automations, go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools. That one, if you remove a row, it will say, where did my row go? What did you do with my row? Okay, for now, let's add a trigger. Choose which function to run. Get sheet birthday. It's actually is today my birthday is the function we want to run. Event source is going to be time driven. We're going to run this every single day, day timer. And we're going to do it while we're working. Maybe we'll work from 10 to 11 or 9 to 10 maybe. Wherever our day we know we're going to be in sheets, hit save. Again, this can be manipulated and edited if you want to send an email or do something more permanent. This is just going to give us a little bit of a message in here. If you want to edit this, go to triggers, click on the edit button, the little pencil icon, and you can edit this as much as you want. If you want to have a different action, go to our editor and just go right here, do a different action. Maybe it puts it somewhere inside the sheet. It adds some message to a header or something. Check out all of that, and if you want to do any of that, you can learn it here on YouTube on Better Sheets. Subscribe today. Get all of these cool automations. All these videos have been awesome. We've made 24 of them. They are all available at bettersheets.co/sheetfools. I'm so excited you're watching this. I love it. I love spreadsheets, and I hope you do too. And I hope you learn to love spreadsheets as much as I do.